Otto, I said something about Kiza Besigye. Odonga is thinking about Kiza Besigye, the way things stand. Kiza Besigye, as you really know, still continues to be in the prison. In remand, he has not yet been sentenced, but he is in remand. Odonga said this man will one day die in prison. Even the exit of Nelson Mandela from prison was negotiated. We live life once. And then he gave the copy to Benyima and to Kiza Besigye. Odonga went ahead to say that the Ministry of Defense, UPDF court-martial, can't grant Kiza Besigye bail or justice without express approval of Kagota Museveni. So it needs more political than legal work. Even the finest of lawyers, Arias Lukwago, may not do much. Benyima, UN material, that's United Nations material, if you fail, who else can? Odonga is asking the wife of Kiza Besigye, who is calling the United Nations material, that if you fail, who hell can help your husband? Dr. Odonga had it that every revolution is its own creators. A quote from Machiavelli. And he also went ahead to say, one who participates in revolution plows the sea. It's a quote from the Plato. I think it means the current, maybe the current opposition or the revolution. Just my thinking, it means the Kiza Besigye is now getting consumed, is getting destroyed. Nobody is thinking about him. No serious action from maybe the opposition. I think Odonga is thinking out loud at this point of time. The predicament of Kiza Besigye seems to have worsened, with reports that he is not eating in the prison, that he has refused to eat the prison cooked food and wants only the food which has been prepared from home. You can see clearly that the photo taken by one of my OB from the university works with 9 posts, it indicates that he is suffering. There is weight loss already clearly seen. That's a sign anyone can openly see on Kiza Besigye, and total sadness with facial impression of frustration.